want you guys to go support Piston Mike. Y'all go to the subscribe button. He at 480 right now. Let's get him to 1,000, 100,000, 500,000, million subscribers as soon as possible, bid. Let's help him put it down. Make sure you go over there and subscribe. If you like the Pistons, you want to support me, think about sending me a donation. Best way you can help me right now is go subscribe over to Piston Mike and go help him get his numbers up, putting in work, hard work, smart work, dedicated work, consistent work. So make sure you go over there and appreciate that work. So remember, the name is Piston Mike, and I have a link in the description. If you have a problem finding it on YouTube, it'll be under source link or Piston Mike channel link in the description. Peace. All right, man. I seen this headline, even though you guys subscribe to it, by Carlos. This makes the perfect sense. All right. This makes the perfect sense. Get excited about the combine, but the Detroit Lions rebuild won't start until they get a quarterback, which I still subscribe for $1 for 6 months, but I think about it. As long as it ain't recurring payment. But this is kind of, for the most part, what I've been trying to articulate and trying to like explain to fans. You know, everybody watched last season and seeing how you know, how bad how bad the quarterback play was, and people say, well, they blame the offensive line, they blame the receivers, they blame a lot of things, you know. But that very same roster that Jared Goff had, he went to the playoffs. He took a lesser roster to the Super Bowl. You know, Todd Gurley just got injured, and that was pretty much it. So, I mean, what Stafford did with a better roster, Jared Goff did with a lesser roster. He just didn't close the deal because Gurley got injured. They had a Dominican Sue and Aaron Donald on defense. So people just acting like because Stafford went wrong with the Rams, like the Rams wasn't a super team. 3 first ballot Hall of Famers on defense. I mean, it's common sense, but everybody want to make more things complicated what it is. We got to, you know, build a team around the quarterback. Like, bruh, if you don't get the quarterback, you know, you're not gonna win. Rex Grossman, Trent Dilford, Jim McMahon were anomalies, bro. Had they been Jim Kelly, Dan Marino, John Elway, those teams probably would have run 3 or 4 Super Bowls. Maybe not particularly in a row, but they would have won several Super Bowls. You know, and what you got to do is once you get the quarterback, everything else get covered up. You know, and it's like the Packers. You take Aaron Rodgers off that team, what are they? What are they? So they can prepare to put the quarterback and plug the quarterback in, which it makes no sense. When you can take him now, get him, tutor him. He'll be a young Padawan. Get everything together, and then when you're ready to put him in the game, you can put him in. You know, as we seen last year, Zach Wilson was not ready to play and plug in New York. Trevor Lawrence wasn't ready to play and plug in Jacksonville. And even in a team that was already built to win, Trey Lance wasn't ready to plug and play like Ben Roethlisberger was in Steelers. And Roethlisberger got put in there. I think it's Tommy Maddox got injured. I think what if the quarterback Maddox got injured. So that's what people kind of gotta realize, bro. None of those 3 quarterbacks was ready to play, and they should. And I don't even think you put Wilson and Lawrence, who I love both of them coming out last year, especially Wilson. I don't think you can put them in San Francisco and they would have made it as far as Jimmy Garoppolo. He just simply wasn't ready. But the draft media tells you that they were ready, but they wasn't ready. You know, they were not ready. So yes, people kind of gotta, you know, understand too about the situations, man. Is that bro, do something different. Stop getting, you know, people forget they threw Stafford into the fire. He had 2 injury-riddled seasons his first 2 years in the league. Probably why his back hurt. People forget that. Get the guy. Do what Green Bay. Do what the Kansas City Chiefs did. Do Green Bay did with Aaron Rodgers. Do what Kansas City did with Patrick Mahomes. Get them, tutor them, get mechanics, get the mental reps down, get the physical reps, then ease them in, or then plug and play. But the rebuild doesn't start without a quarterback, bro. And Jared Goff ain't the quarterback you can win with in Detroit. You can win with in LA. That's what you can win with. You can win with them in LA. That's different, though. LA went the route of taking their picks and turning into known commodities. And Dominican Sue, signing Ashawn Robinson eventually. You know what I'm saying? It was Todd Gurley, you know, Jared Goff, they drafted him. A lot of other guys they brought in, Brandon Cooks. I think Robert Woods was already there. I could be wrong. I feel like he played in Buffalo. I don't know why I feel that he played in Buffalo. I could be wrong. I definitely could be. Did he play in Buffalo? Yeah, he played in Buffalo. Yeah. Another guy, I'm saying they didn't draft, you know. So like I be trying to tell you, I remember him playing in USC, really good receiver. I thought him and the other guy would be a lot better. What's the other guy that played in Lee? He played with the Jaguar. I think his last name was Lee. I thought he was gonna be him was gonna be like really good. A lot of people thought Michael Floyd was gonna be better than Golden Tate. I like Golden Tate better. Golden Tate had the better career in the NFL, but Michael Floyd had some demons that he had to kind of, he had some demons that he had to kind of play, get over. But yeah, the rebuild don't start till you get a quarterback. No matter how much y'all think you can build around Jared Goff and then plug a quarterback in, dude, this team is good enough to plug a quarterback in. If you plug Watson or Rodgers or Murray in, they're a playoff team. So why don't you just, you take a quarterback? Don't, people talking about Bryce Young. He's not good, bro. He's not good. Do we not see, do we not see what happened with the other Alabama quarterbacks? John Parker Wilson, McElroy. What's the brother they had back there? I think he was from Dallas. Like, bro, why would you want a quarterback from there? And then why would you want to do from Ohio State? He ain't that good neither. I mean, I can see that. People go, Willis not that good. Willis is better than both of them. His junior tape was better than Bryce Young. Bryce Young had better talent around him. Tua Tagovailoa, bro. I don't want a quarterback from there. He's not that good neither. I watched him play. I'm looking like, he's not that good. Like, what do people see? I talked to my boy from Alabama friend, he living in Tuskegee. He was saying the same thing. I don't see it. But a lot of y'all like media hype. That's what y'all like. But this thing, it won't begin until they get a quarterback. And that's when the rebuild is truly going to begin. I hate to break it to y'all. Jared Goff if you couldn't see Jared Goff, people talking about the defense. People keep screaming the defense, bro. The Lions had a top 3 defense, and Stafford still couldn't win with them. Golden Tate and Calvin Johnson. So come on. They still couldn't win with a top defense. And Dominic Sue, all them guys was playing. That's my issue. Like, y'all be ignoring the obvious, and that's why this is why we continue to lose, because the fans is just as dumb as the organization is. A lot of y'all seen what y'all seen with Jared Goff, but then we making the determined fact the offensive line. Oh, he didn't have a receiver. Oh, it's the defense. But you seen what you seen. You've seen 2 and 5 yard passes all season, and then you see one good game versus Arizona, and y'all ready to. Like I said before, this don't start until they get a quarterback. And just because the analysts telling you these quarterbacks not good, don't mean they not, bro. You got to look at them. I'm going to study Matt Carroll next, after Kayvon Thibodeau. This don't mean they bad. Malik Willis is very good. They hyped up Trevor Lawrence. They hyped up Zach Wilson. I told y'all Trey Lance wasn't ready. He wasn't ready to plug and play. A monkey could have told y'all that. And now they work with Trey Lance a little bit. Now he ready to plug and play. Is he gonna have some bumps in the road? Absolutely. Everybody ain't gonna hit the ground rolling like Patrick Mahomes. I don't even believe Aaron Rodgers hit the ground rolling like that when he started. But I don't think he did. So he started. He 1, 2, 3. His 4th season, he started 16 games. They went 6-10. I forget. I really do forget that season. He threw 28 touchdowns, 13 interceptions, but he didn't win. But after that, he was rolling. He was rolling after that. After the season, right here, he was rolling. That was a solid season too. That's an average Stafford season right there. After that, he really never looked back, bro. He never looked back. So do something different, bro. Stop throwing these young guys in there. They throw these young guys in there, bro, and get them beat up and knock years off their career. Nurture and learn. Do something different. They keep doing the same thing, expecting the same different results. Not gonna get it, bro. This rebuild starting to get a core. People saying, "Oh, great defense." You have to keep at least 20 guys together on defense, bro. It's impossible. That's why great defenses don't repeat. You know what I'm saying? Everything don't have to be people. So you put everything in, bro. Everything ain't gonna be perfect. For a great quarterback, everything don't have to be perfect. Put that in your mind. Let that marinate on your mind like Nick Bone juice. For a great quarterback, everything does not have to be perfect. Everything should be solid or adequate, and they be able to get the job done. Everything ain't gotta be perfect, bro. Everybody want everything to be perfect. Everybody say you just gotta be perfect, man. This gotta be this gotta be that. This that. No, it don't. This team is good enough right now. If you plug in Rodgers in this team right now, you plug in Watson, they probably win a playoff game, if not more. You know, the roster is not bad. The roster is pretty solid. But this imagination that you got to build the defense and then, then put a quarterback in there, that's bullshit. Aaron Rodgers ain't got the greatest defense. Deshaun Watson had the greatest team in Houston. They still overcame. Stafford had pretty much everything perfect for him. He that type of quarterback. Joe Burrows ain't really nothing perfect for them. The run game ain't perfect. The line ain't perfect. The receivers are good, but far from perfect. Defense is solid. That's what great quarterbacks do. They elevate. And they need a dual threat too. So, yeah, that is what it is, man. I love the headline. It's great. Let me know what you girls and guys think. Check Detroit Lions Talk playlist out. Thumbs up the video. Share the video. Subscribe to the channel. That's the subscribe button. It's the bell icon button. Hit all notifications. Increase chance to get notifications to go live and drop a video. Check out Detroit Lions Talk playlist. For more videos like this, want to make a financial donation. Cash App, $ CJ Good 313, Venmo CJ Good 313, PayPal in the description. Appreciate the love and support. Let me know what you girls and guys think. You check me out on my main channel on YouTube, Goodfella TV, for more sports news and news and entertainment. Appreciate the love and support. Peace.